Oh, what a beautiful day to play Gorilla Tag. Honestly, don't know what I'm gonna do. Let me just go. Let me just go practice my routes today. Bop, 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 bop. Ch, 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 ch. Bing, 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 bing. Ch, 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 ch. Shh, 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 shh. Wait, I just realized I'm trash at this game. I gotta go spend money. Damn, the music of the rain is so good. Beautiful sound. I'm gonna go inside so I don't hear the rain anymore. Time to spend money. Add it to your cart. Oh wait, I already have these sunglasses. Oh my god, this hat looks nice. Beep. Oh my god, you look so ugly with that hat. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? I don't know, but you need to be fat. Hey, shut up. I look good in this, okay? I'm gonna go buy it. Actually, you may be right. It's not a good item. Yeah. Now you should go pick a different item. Like what? And who even are you? Where are you? It doesn't matter. Okay, go pick a good item. Okay. Gotta remove this from my cart. Ching! Good. Which one should I buy? I'm so confused. This one looks good. Oh my god, the stupid rain sounds. Shh. Alright, I want the top hat. Select